Hi, I'm Rochelle,
And I'm Alicia.
and we're Wild Goose Meditation, and today is day 4 of our bite-sized meditation series on mindfulness.
And this is your friendly reminder that it's okay if you feel like you have a great meditation session and you're on the path to enlightenment and then you mess up. You're still worthy to come back the next day with that beginner's mind and try it again.
Yeah, and that actually goes perfectly with our theme today, which is non-judgment.
Yeah. So non-judgment is pretty self-explanatory. It's just looking at a person or a situation or ourselves while suspending judgment. And I think the thing that people struggle with the most, that they're the most resistant to, is that non-judgment seems really counterintuitive to like the way that we function in our daily life. So they think like, if I don't make judgments, I'll become the worst version of myself because I won't be accountable for anything. And they think that judging is what kind of like keeps us in check and keeps us being good people, whereas this is, hopefully bringing a little bit different result than that.
Whatever situation that we're in that we think is bringing us grief or suffering, it's most likely our thinking about that situation that is causing us the suffering. It's your attitude about what you're going through more than the situation itself.
When you have all these gears grinding about what could be or what should be or what you wish, a lot of times that takes up a lot of our brain space. And this can actually help a lot with anxieties in particular, because anxiety is often our brains wanting the situation to be different from what's actually happening. And so we have this disconnect and we feel this anxiety. Whereas if you're able to just truly look at a situation and look at yourself, I'm feeling this is what I am going through. You're able to deal with it better instead of resisting it.
I mean, letting go of those shoulds, of course that doesn't mean that you turn a blind eye to injustice in the world or other people's suffering, but it just gives us the opportunity to have clarity and to see things as they are, and then to go and take action to make a change. This is a gift for us to be able to see with that kind of clarity. Yeah. So we're going to do these exercises today that will help us start practicing non-judgment, so that when we're in that moment, we can take a pause. For our first exercise, we are going to meditate to the mantra I am, which is a powerful mantra of self-recognition. So as you inhale, think the word I, and as you exhale, think the word am, and continue thinking the mantra I am for 10 full breaths. And try to refrain from adding onto the sentence by defining your identity or by judging your character. This mantra is an acknowledgement of the self. So if your mind wanders, simply bring it back to the mantra I am.